And races on 1A Ice Palace moving up by the Rala Outstanding. Bengatibo rushing up by the Rally Exotic Flavor. By St. German is running at the tail of the field. Entry number 2 Outstanding by Anek followed by Exotic Flavor. Bengatibo is racing in third from the outside. 1A Ice Palace, Hershey, City Girl, and by St. German. And nearing the far turn, Outstanding by ahead. Exotic Flavor is running by the Real Bengatibo. 1A Ice Palace as they race the last 550. Outstanding Bengatibo and by the Rally Exotic Flavor. 1A Ice Palace as they race the final corner. Outstanding Bengatibo. Exotic Flavor is running by the rail. Outstanding Exotic Flavor is running by the rail. Fighting it out for the lead. Outstanding Exotic Flavor is done on the inside. Outstanding still the leader. And nearing the finish line, number 2, Outstanding Exotic Flavor. City Girl, Bengatibo, by St. German, 1A Ice Palace, and number 5, Hershey comes last.
2164 ang ating dating